Hi, my name is Natalie and I'm from the P&J family. We're gonna mix it up today and do 3 different types of exfoliating scrubs. The first one is this coffee cake scented scrub. The second one is this warm vanilla sugar scrub. And the third is this lemon scented salt scrub. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. There are some benefits to these 3 different types of scrubs. The coffee scrub helps improve blood circulation. The sugar scrub helps brighten your skin, and the salt scrub reduces inflammation. Hope you like this craft, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.